Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll guide you through assembling a truck sampler. To begin, first, we'll focus on the truck sampler arm. The hydraulic cylinder assembly will be attached to the vertical arm assembly. Secured to the designated mounting points on both sides and fastened with an external ring. Next, install the lower base in the designated area according to the prepared points and connect the upper ladder assembly will be mounted to the machine's base using 3 screws. Next, connect the main body will then be connected to the hydraulic arm. Special care must be taken with the superline and the male shaft rotary ring, which will be secured with 2 screws. The vertical arm bracket will be mounted to the base of the hydraulic arm, and the male shaft rotary ring will be installed. Before moving the hydraulic arm to the base, it must be secured to prevent rotation. The factory has divided the machine into 2 parts. The base of the rice sampling machine and the arm of the rice sampling machine to facilitate easier installation. Lift the arm of the rice sampling machine to prepare for installation onto the base of the rice sampling machine using a mobile crane or forklift. Secure the bolts together between the arm of the rice sampling machine and the base of the rice sampling machine. Install the 5 HP ring blower suction fan. Install the sample collection tank and connect the piping from the suction head to the sample collection tank. Install the sampling probe to the arm of the rice sampling machine.